For more such videos, subscribe to Jagran Josh and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from Jagran Josh.
At least we in IIM Calcutta always say that we are not a B school in that sense. We always say very proudly that we are a management school, which means that we will be handling all management problems. Yeah, I am K Unni. I am a professor with the Public Policy and Management Group. From April 2018, I am the chairperson of the PGP, that is the Postgraduate Program in Management, which is our flagship program. As far as the B school concept is there, at least we in IIM Calcutta always say that we are not a B school in that sense. We always say very proudly that we are a management school, which means that we will be handling all management problems. It did not have anything to do with business. So it could be something from the social sector, it could be for a non-governmental organization, it could be for a public body. So that way we are very uncomfortable whenever somebody says we are a B school. Okay, so taking this concept further, it clearly means that we want our students to be the best corporate citizens, not join a company and have his name published in a newspaper saying that he got 1 crore or 2 crores. These things I don't think is eventually going to be a sustainable proposition. At the end of the day, what's going to happen is the kind of name which you have earned through some of the practices which is accepted by an insider and an outsider as an ethical practice. And many of you know some of the scams which we were exposed to in the last 10 years of some very successful companies, in a way brings or in a way highlights our concerns for this kind of very quick success, and also highlights the fact that we have been going in the right path because of our insistence with respect to things like ethical leadership or being a good corporate citizen. That's it. Yeah, as all of you know, the digital age has completely transformed the personal lives as well as the corporate lives. So something which could not even be imagined 15 years back, like communicating with someone in US within split seconds time, is very much possible today, right? So that is also bringing a lot of challenges to businesses, which means a lot of those companies have to remodel their marketing strategies, their strategies with respect to fundraising, because today you can raise funds through online platforms, for example, something like crowdfunding and all. So what I am saying is, the digital world or the digital ecosystem has brought a lot of challenges and also opportunities. So in a business school like IIM Calcutta, it's essentially the kind of courses which our faculty would like to engage with the students. And here what happens is, since a lot of information is being mined literally every day, faculty also work together with the students, and many a times there are some exciting papers which get published and all on all these aspects. Recently I read something which was done by one of our colleagues who was actually guiding the students on how to help a public corporation in Calcutta to monetize some of its resources like the metro railway platforms and all. Okay, so what I am saying is, the opportunities are really very high. So is the kind of challenges which we are facing. That's it.